you sure?
The Peter Pan has a shadow, duh. And that's
Told you
Tinkerbell.
it's enchanted, and not just the forest. From the tips of castle spires to the sand. See what I mean? Hope you packed a compass, because that, folks, is the sound of adventure.
Are you with the baby?
Adventureland, I should say. Whether navigating wild jungle rivers, swashbuckling with jolly bucket. These barriers rollers all the way off the platform before unfolding. That'll help make room for a new bucket. Watch your step now. This is Frontierland Station.
As we arrive at the station, remain seated till you hear the words all clear. Once again, remain seated, please.
And to come back. So we not get out when we arrive from
Finding this railroad. But we'll stop and down.
What is that one? What is that this one?
The trains have a mind of their
Look
own.
it out back. Make sure this is not steady roller coaster. Ooh, Caribbean. Oh, pilot Caribbean. I can show Caribbean. My Johnny the movie.
Not here.
Are you sure?
Yes.
So guys, just a sec.
Very.
The changing scenery means we've left the rattle and rumble of that.
There it is! On that big metal snake! Peter, that's not a snake. It's a train. Train, huh? Well, I think it's finally time I trained my shadow to stay put!
I know this, it's Peter Pan.
Hey! Get back here, Shadow!
Yeah.
Oh, Tinkerbell.
Are you sure?
The Peter Pan has a shadow, duh. And that's
Told you
Tinkerbell.
it's enchanted, and not just the forest. From the tips of castle spires to the sands under the sea, magic and happily ever afters await around every corner in Fantasyland. Great for the stupendous, the sensational, the spectacularific Fantasyland Storybook Circus. This is the place to soar with Jumbo, or join Goofy in his stunt plane for some airborne acrobatics. This station is also your gateway to the rest of Fantasyland and Tomorrowland. Now, please wait until the train has come to a complete stop. Gather your juggling pins, unicycles, and other belongings, and carry your strollers away from the platform before unfolding. That way we can start loading up for the next leg of our trip. For those disembarking, please watch your step, and thanks for traveling with us. I hope you'll join us again real soon. If you're staying aboard, our next stop is Main Street Station.
As we are arriving to the station, please remain fully seated until the train comes to a complete stop. And I give you the words are clear. When it's safe to depart, please remain.
This railroad about as much as a songbird
You go
loves the
upside down.
but I'm still awed by the rockets and space and fire.
Unidentified users detected upload conduit area. Scan. Calculating. Intervention not required. Users, please proceed to Tron Cycle Route. Once digitized, you may board your life cycle and enjoy the games. Fair warning, users. Competition is fierce and fast. Stick together. Cycle neutral presently.
And that's the secret that makes intergalactic travel possible. So simple once you hear it, right? Yes, sirree, in this place of boundless optimism, the possibilities are endless. You might say the sky's the limit, but even that is no obstacle in Tomorrowland.
What did you say?
9 vlog.
Time vlog. Time vlog.
Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe me.
Don't forget the thumbs up.
Bye-bye.